Hey YouTubers, here's a Ninja coffee bar circa 2016. I'm having trouble with it not operating the drip stop. Can't do it. Oh, drip stop's on. Switch it off. Still not working. What's going on? Anyway, I already diagnosed the problem, figured it out. I've had this coffee bar for many years. Love it. Had some issues with it. Start brewing and then it start doing the beeping like that. And anyway, you gotta descale these things often. And if it does that, try the descaling many times. But this is a different problem. The drip stop is not working. It won't work at all if that drip stop isn't taken care of. So anyway, I don't know how the mechanism works. I couldn't figure out, like, there's no moving parts to make the drip stop work. So take out this screw right here and I'll show you what I found. Okay, the screw, it's easy, just unscrew it. There's a spring and the plastic piece associated with it, just that side. This you have to get sort of between the drip stop. See if I can do it with one hand. There's a little lip you have to get over. This side comes up, and then you just pull it out like that. And there's a spot, there's a appendage that fits down in that spot right there. Comes out, and then the actual piece with the gaskets that close off the drip holes. And so I figured it out. See, there's a hole there. Well, I've already there was something down in there rusting. Anyway, I was like, I think this is a magnet switch. So, got a magnet off the refrigerator. Put it up against this piece. Oh, it's brewing and all I have is a magnet set right up there. Pull it off. The drip stop thing starts blinking. So that's what it is. It's a magnet switch. I took a drill bit. There's no way to get that out of there because it's just stuffed in there. But I took a drill bit and on the bottom drilled a very small hole so I could get something in there. My little handy poker here, and got out this very rusty magnet. So now I'm going to replace that. Put a magnet in there. Can't put that in there, but I found a magnet that should work. Okay guys, so a little trial and error, and I had to get a longer magnet than that other one. I thought that if I just fit it down in there, it would work. But the magnet wasn't strong enough, so I put this in here, and it works. It sticks way up, but it fits in there fine and works. So I'm just going to glue this in place. Well, actually, I might not even glue it in place just so I can replace it again later. It shouldn't fall out. You know, it's just sitting up in there. If it does, I'll be able to hear it rattle. So I just put it in there, and then sort of just use some pressure to push it down in there because it's a little bit bigger than the bottom of the hole. The hole tapers down. But I'll just put some pressure on it and then put it back together, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to put it back together, and there are these holes here that have to line up to get this thing right. So it'll be like that. And the magnet down in there, like that. And press down over here to get it on that lip. Just a matter of screwing this back on. Alright, let's see. So drip stop things on. Switch it over. Boom. Set. Sometimes it'll come out a little bit and turn it. It was turning that drip stop on and in the middle of a brew. But now it looks like it's really good. Perfect. Alright. Hope it helps you out.